Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a HUAWEI Mate 20 Pro, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and let me just go through it. And here we are in the standard photo mode. So all we have to do is to enter the settings icon in the right upper corner, and now we have to scroll and find the timer. It is in the general section on the third position. So let's tap on it, and in this device we've got 4 different options, so off, 2, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So let me choose 10 seconds delay. As you can see, it is immediately marked, and now all we have to do is to tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10, 5 or 2 or 3, depending of course on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Of course you can quickly turn off the timer. Simply enter the settings again, go to the timer and tap on off, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.